And you know what? I am real sick and tired of my bull. Seriously, things need to change. I'm done. I am tired of this.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
Morning, guys. So we are starting the new and improved weight loss attempt. We are doing a meal prep Saturday rather than Sunday.
Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it.
I had an online order for Heather. Thanks. Thank you. You too. Even when it's 8 degrees, I still get an iced coffee. All right, let's head to Trader Joe's.
Go ahead and shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear, 'cause who cares if you might mess it up, just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws.
Here's the haul for the week. I got some spinach for smoothies, my shots for the week, 2 kombuchas, this broccoli and kale slaw, smoothies for mornings when I'm a little lazier and don't have time to make smoothies, green onions, red potatoes, 2 packages of organic brown rice, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, some chicken drumsticks, tomato sauce, garlic stuffed green olives, some balsamic vinegar. I got 2 of these chicken tikka masalas for days I'm feeling lazy, most likely when I have to go into the office for lunches. I got some fruit for snacks, and I cheated and got the cut up cantaloupe already. Some bananas. None of the regular bananas were good. They were all green, so I got organic this time. And then I got 2 of the Tone It Up protein powders. They were buy one get one 50% off, so I took advantage of it. I just gave the dogs some bones to keep them occupied while I do some meal prep. Okay guys, so today I am making a couple different recipes for lunches and dinners and preparing some snacks and breakfasts for the week. I will leave links to the recipes for the lunches and dinners down below in the description box. The first thing I'm making today is the item that will take me the longest, which is the Skinny Taste Crock Pot Balsamic Pork Roast. I made sure to chop off a bunch of the fat on the pork roast just because I wanted it to be a little less greasy and have fewer calories. If you've watched my meal prep videos before, you know I like to clean as I go, and I am here doing dishes in the middle of my meal prep because no one wants a dirty kitchen or a kitchen in disarray when they get to the end of meal prep. Now I'm making Skinny Taste Pollo Guisado. This smelled so good while I was cooking it. It took everything in me not to taste anything. Now I'm washing and preparing some red potatoes for a side dish to go along with the pork roast that I'm making. I like to cook my potatoes ahead of time so it doesn't take as long to fry them up in a pan later on during the week. Now I'm just washing up my fruits so they're ready throughout the week and I don't need to worry about washing them when I go to grab them. I like to wash my fruit in vinegar water. It's the cheapest way. I've also used the Trader Joe's produce wash. It's just a little more expensive. Whatever works for you, and I will say that You cannot taste the vinegar when you eat your fruit. Now I'm making smoothie packs. Again, if you've watched any of my meal preps before, you know I like to have smoothie packs prepared in the freezer ahead of time. It's a lot easier in the mornings when you are in a pinch or in a hurry and you need to just grab and go. So I put all of the dry ingredients, all the fruit, all of, the protein powder, any spinach or anything, all that goes in the freezer so that all I have to do in the morning is take out a smoothie pack and put the liquid in the blender. For me, I use almond milk and it's ready to blend and ready to eat. And finally, I'm measuring out the rice for the pollo guisado. For the pollo guisado, I just kind of eyeballed it. I didn't measure it out. I figure it's 4 servings. If I don't get the same amount in every dish, it's not a huge deal. It all just kind of evens out by the end of the week. So I just finished up meal prep. I have the pork roast in the crock pot. I've still got several hours left for that. But let me just show you quick. Here are my smoothie packs. They're in the freezer, ready to go. I've got my pollo guisado with rice in here. My grapes are washed and ready to take out. The cantaloupe. Here are these smoothies, my shots. My kombuchas are back there. My water in here. Oh, and then here are the red potatoes. They're ready to just fry. And then I've got some leftover spinach, and then I have that kale slaw salad ready to go along with my pork roast. So meal prep is done and I am ready to go for the week.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do.
Today's workout is chest, shoulders, and triceps, and I have now entered into mesocycle 2 of the STS program. This is the hypertrophy phase, where mesocycle 1 concentrated on endurance, and mesocycle 1 you moved from one exercise and one muscle group to the next very quickly. Mesocycle 2 is completely different. You stick with one muscle group until you worked it completely, and then you move on to the next muscle group. You're also using heavier weights. You start at 70% of your 1 rep max, and the reps range from 8 to 12. You do 3 to 4 sets of each exercise. You do 12 reps the first set, 10 reps the second set, 8 reps the third set, and if you do a 4th set, it's to failure.
I will get up again, stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine.
Time for lunch. Finally, I am starving. I'm having my pollo guisado that I made. Excited to eat this because it smelled so good when I was making it. Sorry for the crazy hair. I just got done working out and it's still kind of curly from when I curled it yesterday.
But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again.
Just got home. I am going to make my dinner. I am going to heat up this pork roast in the microwave, and then I have 114 grams of red potatoes, and then I need to make this broccoli kale salad.
Life is in a stream. The ocean called for you.
All right, here's my dinner. Here is the pork roast. the red potatoes and the broccoli and kale slaw. This meal comes out to about 500 to 600 calories. I think I am at like 1420 calories for the day, so that is perfect. Doing good on day one of my weight loss journey reset. Oh my goodness, you guys, I inhaled that meal. I was starving, but also that balsamic pork roast was so good. I'll try to remember to put the link to the recipe down in the description box. It's super easy to make. You just put it in the crock pot. I highly recommend it. So good. Good morning, and I am having this strawberry smoothie real quick before I head to the gym. I'm gonna have to go here in like a half hour or so, and then I think I'm gonna have another smoothie from the gym for lunch. There's just something I love about a smoothie after a heated class.
Drink on tonight, I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight, I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I'm gonna party until I drop.
Just got home. I had the vegan PB&B shake from the Lifetime Cafe. I had to make some phone calls on the way home and stuff, so I didn't get a chance to show you guys. It's empty now, but that's what I just had for my lunch. So tomorrow I have to go somewhere after work, and I'm thinking I might do my leg workout that I'm supposed to do today instead, which means today would be a double workout day. I'm gonna see how I feel later though, but I don't want to miss my leg day workout because I always seem to do that.
We can party on till the morning comes, till the sun goes up. We don't stop, no. I see you looking at me, but you don't stand a chance. You see, you don't know how to act. I'm looking for class. Can you please take a step back? I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose.
So I did do the leg workout this week, and I am very proud of myself, and it was a tough leg workout. So in Mesocycle 2, the leg workouts are formatted in a tri-set format. This means that I do 3 exercises back to back in a circuit fashion. For this workout, we did 3 different tri-sets. Each tri-set is repeated 3 times, with each exercise being done for 10 reps. The workout then ends with some calf raises, which really burned my legs. Another thing I do like about the Mesocycle 2 is that you get lots of rest in between sets. So I did get 60 seconds of rest in between each exercise, which did help me get through the workout. Just finished workout number 2 of the day. I am pooped. I am gonna eat my dinner. I'm heating up the pollo guisado. The pups are eating. And then I am going to take a bath because I'm gonna need it. It is Wednesday morning. I am heading into work right now, driving in traffic. I did stop at Starbucks and got something new. It's the venti iced brown sugar oat milk shaken. It's less calories. I think it's only like 170 calories, which I'm surprised by. And I was afraid I wouldn't like it because I figured, oh, there's probably not enough like sweetness in it, but it's like the perfect amount of sweetness. I think I'm gonna start getting these from now on. I wasn't gonna get coffee today, but it's been a morning. Wednesday and Friday mornings when I go in the office are just chaotic because it's just out of my normal routine. But anyway, it's a day in the office today. I don't know how much I'll be able to check in.
Fear, it's leaving now.
Morning, guys. I did not check in last night. I had some stuff going on after work last night. I did go out to eat. I kind of figured that I was gonna go out to eat. I didn't do too bad because I did kind of stay low with my calories during the day. I had a drink, and then I had shrimp pad thai, and I put that in my calorie counter, and it came out to about 1,800 calories, a little under, so not too bad. But anyway, I am back at it today. I'm having this strawberry smoothie for breakfast, and then I will be heading to the gym. I have my class at 9:45, and I also have an eye appointment today at 11:30, and it's right by the gym. And then I think I'm going to, since I have to be there right away, I'm gonna have a smoothie from the gym. Right, just got done at the gym. I burned, how many calories did I burn? 442 calories, so not a bad class. Got my vegan PB&B shake. It's like 11 o'clock. My appointment is until 11:30, so I'm just gonna sit in my car here for like 15 minutes maybe and head in. I am gonna grab a Starbucks. I'm really craving what I had yesterday, so I'm gonna grab that 170 calorie drink and then head home after the eye doctor, enjoy that and sip that for the rest of the afternoon at home while I work. But yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys later. Hello. So I spent the afternoon editing once I got home. When I edit, I don't want to stop, but I have a few things I need to get at Target, so I'm heading there now. Just water, dog food, and a new brush because my brush literally broke in half. So I gotta go get those 3 things. A little more than I needed. I got all that I needed plus some other things. I got a couple toys for the dogs. I got some face masks and eye masks and a hair mask. I also needed some micellar water. Oh, I got some shampoo and conditioner. I needed some more forks for work because I bring plastic forks to work and plates and bowls. But I am making some dinner. I'm gonna have that pork roast with the potatoes and the kale slaw. And you guys, I have a headache. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I really just want to go to bed. I'm just gonna eat dinner and then take a bath and just kind of relax for the night.
in you.
Hey guys, I'm heading to work. It's Friday morning and I decided to try the iced toasted vanilla oat milk shaken. It tastes like crap. I don't even taste the vanilla. I don't know if they made it wrong or what. Alright, I just got home from work. I am here eating my dinner. I'm doing something a little different this week. I had to order my groceries to be delivered tonight because my friends at the last minute wanted to do a brunch tomorrow morning. So I really want to get my meal prep in tomorrow. I ordered my groceries tonight and I want to really try to get my meal prep done in the morning before I go to brunch. Something always comes up when you have the best intentions, doesn't it?
You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
And I made it through all 3 STS workouts for the week. I did the back and biceps workout on Saturday morning. This workout was formatted in the same kind of format as the chest, shoulders, and triceps workout.
Go ahead and shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up, just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step